These are the hardest animals to fence on any homestead, goats and pigs. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to set up a fence that is goat escape proof, pig escape proof, and works for every other animal on your homestead. So I brought in an expert because fencing goats requires expert help. This is Eli from Kencove Farm Fencing. Eli, Kencove has fencing for every animal you can imagine, right?
Yep.
You guys have worked with some crazy animals. We had camels here. Any other cool ones?
Yeah. Bison, a lot of bison ranches.
Bison.
Yep.
So bison, camels, goats, and pigs aren't too bad, right?
Yeah.
We have pretty much all your basic farm animals, right? You guys helped us design a couple different fence systems in this last year or so that we've installed, and actually have had since then 0 goat escapes, pig escapes. How do you make sure when you're gonna get some goats, especially if they're little ones like what we have, they stay in?
We call our 4x4 woven wire sheep and goat fence. That's classically what people order when they're looking for sheep and goat fence. You're gonna see different knot styles. This here is the fixed knot. It encompasses the whole intersection of wire. Whether you're working with goats or any other class of livestock, that's gonna be your best bet for a woven wire knot.
Yep, I think of all the animals, the goats have been the most surprising as to what they could get out of.
I'm
so.
sure.
Pigs are another notoriously hard animal to make sure stays where you want it to. What do we got to do to make sure these guys don't get out of our fencing, Eli?
Similar fashion, offset electric, keeping it down low. In my experience, you've probably seen the same thing. Very respectful once they get a taste of the electric, especially when they're leading with their nose, you know, because they're always rooting around.
Yep.
So something that'll engage that nose really well, keep it low to the ground, keep them from going under, like you mentioned.
This keeps the pigs in. You know, when we get to some bigger animals, the cows just came down. Let's go see what we do to keep the cows in.
All right.
What key element here, Eli, did we build into the system to keep this from getting crushed by the cows?
Sure. Your high-tensile wire is the saving grace with cattle, especially whether in confinement or open pasture situations.
Yeah.
So flexible, it's strong, it's easy to work with. It can be electric or non-electric. Either way you need to do it.